Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody emailed me and asked me a question. The other day I posted where I had Squiggles on a Facebook page and their plasma cutter, and they needed the squiggles to be a thicker line. So what you do here is take your object, go up here to left click, no fill. I'm going to right click and make it a hairline. Then go to Arrange, and especially this one, and go to Ungroup Object. Then select all the objects, and the weld comes up, and weld them. That breaks all the lines up, makes them even, so when you color fill, it'll go everywhere. Before it had lines between the lines. So then what you do is just select your item, go up to Effects and Contour. We're going to contour 0.01 to the outside, and you get that. Let's go ahead and close that window. Go up to Arrange, break contour apart, grab the outside contour and cursor down or move it down. And then now you have quite a bit thicker lines. And you could do that a little thicker, but you're going to lose, some of these gaps are going to start filling in. So that's how you would make that squiggle. Some people call it scroll, and they're both right, but the file I have is called Squiggles, and it's got pages and pages of squiggles, and I have a video on those. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.